Did you know that you can make cinnamon rolls from fruit?
We'll show you how to do that right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been helping people with their health since 1999.
And I'm Joann Loy, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. And today we're going to show you how to make these delicious cinnamon rolls made mostly from fruit.
So let's get started.
You'll need at least 6 large, ripe bananas. We're going to use a whole pound of medjool dates because we like to use the leftovers, but you only need about 10 to 12 dates for this recipe. Soak the dates while you're getting the bananas ready. Optionally, you can make macadamia cream icing, so soak those as well. Carefully slice the bananas long ways in thin strips to make the dough for these cinnamon rolls. Gently lift them with a knife or bench scraper onto the dehydrator sheets. If you mess up or break one, don't worry, you can either eat it or dehydrate it for a banana chip. See the link in the description below for our free 5-day meal plan. Dehydrate at 105 degrees for 5 to 7 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven at its lowest temperature. Some ovens even have a dehydrator option. When the bananas are pliable and don't break when rolling, take them out of the dehydrator and carefully remove them from the sheets. Now the filling can be just dates, cinnamon, and water, but we added vanilla and maple syrup to get even closer to the real taste. Blend until it becomes a thick paste.
This is delicious on its own, but we made some macadamia cream icing to take it to the next level. We recommend maple syrup and vanilla for the icing, as well as some nut milk for extra creaminess. If you're getting value from this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help us a lot. Blend the icing until it's very smooth and creamy. Now, lay out the dehydrated banana strips. You can use 1 strip for bite-sized cinnamon rolls, but we use 2 for a larger roll. Add the date paste filling on top of the strips. What other desserts would you like us to remake in a healthy way? Comment below. Then roll them, catching the second strip as you go. How beautiful is that? Let's do the last one and add some icing. For the full recipe, see the link in the description below. As you can see, there is plenty of date paste left over. Stick around until the end to see what we use it for. Now let's get some icing on these beauties. This icing not only adds eye appeal, it also adds delicious taste and texture to the cinnamon roll. Is your mouth watering? Let's do a taste test now because I can't wait any longer.
These are so delicious. If you like bananas and cinnamon rolls, you're going to love these.
The taste and texture are so close to real cinnamon rolls, this recipe is a success. So what can you do with leftover date paste? Well, let's make some plain ice cream and find out. Add some frozen bananas and nut milk to a high-speed blender until it's the texture of frozen yogurt. Check our Raw Vegan Day video to see another ice cream recipe. Now add some date paste into a bowl of ice cream and stir until you have a cool swirl. This tastes like the frozen version of this cinnamon roll recipe. It's incredible.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.